Question: the XML representation of a Domino database, including its design and data, is known as which of the following? Option A: DXML. Option B: DXL. Option C: XMLD. Option D: Domino XL. The correct answer is option B. Question: what is the purpose of using XSLT in a Domino web application? Option A: to transform XML documents to HTML or even to another XML document. Option B: to allow a web service to interact with a Java agent. Option C: to define what DXL should be available for export. Option D: to display a view as HTML without using a Java applet. The correct answer is option A. Question: Neil has created a form that is used in browsers. When the user clicks the Save button and the document saves successfully, Neil wants the browser to load a page called Successful Save that informs the user that the document was successfully saved. This page also provides links to other parts of the application. Which of the following would provide this functionality? Option A: enter successful save into the web save event of the form. Option B: enter document.form0. Submit successful save into the onSubmit event of the form. Option C: place it if at command file save, at command open page, successful save, in the save button. Option D: place it if at command file save, at command open page, successful save, in the $return field. The correct answer is option C. Question: Sam wants to place some JavaScript code in the head tag of pages that are used in botnets clients and web browsers. How can he do this in a Domino form? Option A: write a formula in a computed field named $nightmul header. Option B: place the JavaScript code in the JS header section of the form. Option C: add pass-through HTML to the form with the script in the head tag. Option D: he cannot place JavaScript in the head tag of a page with a Domino form. The correct answer is option B.